ko after na magmamadre. Nagmadre.
So what happened to your, your hand?
we had a high five. And then, kasi sinalo niya ng ganyan. Basta mali. It was my mistake rin. Yung thumb niya tumama dito.
Talaga? Wow.
It's black and blue.
Hindi naman namaga.
Namaga.
Did you take anything?
I was brought to the hospital last night.
I'll just wait for whatever. It's okay.
May mas maganda pang song dyan. Kay Gary. In another lifetime,
so
it would be forever. In another world where you and I together. With another set of chances, I'd take the ones I've missed and make you mine. Only for a time, my life would matter. In another life.
Tulog nila. Hello.
Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again.
If you're not the one, then what does my heart?
We have the right love
at the wrong time.
And somewhere down the road,
I know we're gonna cross again. Doesn't really matter when. Somewhere down the road.
So what did you think of the performance of your fellow scholars in the first with the reporters, with Kila Christie? Any comment regarding that?
Pwede kami mag-comment sa mga sarili.
Sige, sure.
Ang hirap po pala pag when you're faced with that kind of you have to really think fast. And you have to watch what you say.
Okay. Si Lisel, ikaw, dun sa radio. Kasi parang ang impression mo, was that you were holding back.
Ako po?
Hala.
Ano po ako mahihayan po talaga ako. So parang nahihirapan ako makipag-communicate sa kanya kung hindi ko siya kaharap.
Pag walang tao, parang wala kang kinakausap. But that is the radio medium.
Opo. So parang
You don't see the person talking to you. It's like talking to a telephone. Ikaw, Chris.
Ganoon din po, parang hirap. Lalo na pag yung mga katotohanan tinatanong.
But you see,
masarap po pag sanap.
But generally, the five of you did very well. I hope you were able to get something from what I told you earlier. So nakatulong. Sana nakatulong.
Yes.
And then just keep this in mind, na kung ano man kayo ngayon, hindi kayo dapat nagre-remain ng ganyan. Ang performer nag-evolve yan. Diba? Nag-grow kayo eh. So, paglabas nyo dito siyempre, alam nyo na kung saan kayo patutungo, anong pupuntahan nyo. And with that, dapat yung na lang and you're able to set it out on your own. So congratulations. Hindi, meron pa rin kayo dyan. I'm sure meron din sila doon sa mga yung mga hindi pa nakaano.
Says Caesar.
In the next weeks. Tagal pa naman September pa. Tama yan. In this business kasi dapat hindi ka masyadong serious. But you have to be serious about your craft.
Yes.
Ilang days na kayo dito?
8 weeks.
Oh my God, 8 weeks.
Around, 50.
With no communication whatsoever with the outside world.
456.
Except yung mga pumupunta kagaya namin.
Mga 54 days, 56 days.
Tagal na. Nag-iba na yata itsura niyo. Hindi na kayo makikilala ng mga kamag-anak niyo. May pumayat na, may tumaba.
Mayat.
Pumayat siya? Pumayat ka? Why? Were you chubby when... Okay. It's dismissed. Thank you. I'll see you again when you're out. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Nice meeting you all. Sige. Yeah. Congratulations for a nice performance. Sige. Okay.
Go, please.
Sige.
Paglabas namin.
Oh, you will see me. You will see me outside. Sige. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Doesn't really matter when. Somewhere down the road.
Wala na.
Sorry.
Hintayin natin, no?
Do you wanna ay, wala pa pala.
I'll just go up because I'm so...
You really look mataray and very defensive.
Because I've been in that situation before.
Kaya nga, nakikita ng public na you really parang feeling nila.
Sana shoes.
Mata mo, Van?
Sana shoes.
Buti na nag-shoes ako. Ayoko mangyari yun sa amin din. That's right for now. Next super. Ganun. Pero ito pass eventually.
I was lost.
If it's not true, then let go.
Okay.
Huh?
No! Okay. No, okay. Simple lang naman yun.
Nasira ang aking voice.
Grabe, maldita daw ako.
Hindi kasi kumanta ako nung
Di, okay lang.
Okay lang, ha?